Right, hi guys. I've actually now moved out of this house, but I thought I'd give you a look around and you can see what I've actually had to put up with. I'm going to switch the camera around now and show you all the mould all over the house. So as you can see down there, mould, all down there, mould. Let's go into all there, all that is all damp. That's actually coming up through the floor. Now, you might think that that ain't actually too bad, but that was literally painted 2 weeks ago. This carpet, that is all water coming up through the floor, all around there, all that dark patch there, that's all water coming up through the concrete floor. Now, we go up to there, all this, all, as you can see there, the difference in colour, where they've actually painted patches, they don't do a proper job. It's all coming back straight away. 2 weeks ago that were painted. All around there, that's where a leak came through the roof. All down there, all down there, all there. It's absolutely disgusting. And that's not even an external wall, that's an internal wall. That floor down there, absolutely soaking wet. Hence why I haven't taken the carpet with me, because it's disgusting. It smells really bad in here. This window here, all coming through there. Despite the fact that I washed it down every single day, it would come back. All down there, all black mould. So let's go upstairs. Right, again, this is my daughter's bedroom. They painted this 2 weeks ago and it's all coming back. All that, again, all this done 2 weeks ago. And we've been having to live with this now. Now this corner here, that's coming back there, but that corner there was jet black. But as you can see, it's still beginning to come back. Again, all that's an external wall. All around the windows, everywhere. All down there. She's been really, really ill as my daughter. This room has been the worst. And it's made her really ill. Now the top of the stairs there, all coming through there. There's a cupboard here, all in there. All that in there. And then this bedroom here, all down there, all that wall there. See again, another external wall, all down there. And the ceiling, all this were painted 2 weeks ago, again, all coming back. So 2 weeks ago that was all done. And then in this cupboard, all in here, so it's all coming through the roof. This is a structural problem with this house. It's got nothing to do with condensation, because I opened my windows every day. For like 20 minutes a day, the windows would be open. The front door and back door would be open to let cold draft in, and then I'd blast it with the central heating. But my gas bill last year from October to December was £984. And that's a joke, because that equates to over £4,000 a year if I'd have had to continue putting the heating on, opening the windows. But the house is an extremely cold, wet, damp house. And they can't say it's condensation, because that wall, when you touch it, is saturated, because there's a problem with the structure of the wall outside. And they just ignored it. But yeah, I am so glad I am out of this house. Absolutely so glad. Right. Oh, gosh. I've had to leave my kitchen units in, though. I'm really mad. My Belfast sink and that. And I have got, in my new house, I must admit, the tiniest kitchen ever. But I've got a plan to knock a wall down and extend it. I've also had to move a fish pond from out there, so that's had to go. I've got people coming today to finish off clearing all this area out here, the plants, the pots, everything out there, and then clearing everything to go to the tip, because I don't want them to give me an excuse, oh, you've left this, I'm going to charge you, because as I'm currently have an open compensation claim, I don't want to give them any excuse, well, we're going to deduct this, we're going to deduct that, we're going to deduct the next thing. So it's been a heck of a last 2 weeks, clearing out, taking everything out. That's why I've left the sink in situ. I know they're going to come in and they're going to rip the house to bits, but I cannot leave a house without a working sink, apparently, so I've had to leave it. I'm gutted, because that cost me a fortune, absolute fortune, and I didn't have time to change it. The move came very, very quickly, quicker than I expected, so I had my Aga cooker there and all that. I've just had to leave it. That patch up there is where the shower, the bathroom's above there, the shower was leaking, and I had water coming into the kitchen every time someone had a shower. I reported it. I showed them a video of it. They didn't do anything at all. They blamed us for using the shower too much. I mean, oh my God. The stuff that they say is incredible. And eventually, 8 months later, the ceiling fell through. I was actually there making a cup of coffee. The ceiling fell through. All the water came through, and that was the only time then they actually came out to fix it. But yeah, I've had to leave all this behind because I haven't had time, and I'm exhausted. I'm just wanted to get out. But yeah, all these blooming units and that I've had to leave behind. It's not my problem now. I am just so glad I am out of this house. That's where a unit was. That's why that's like that. But right, next video I'll show you the new house. But oh my gosh, I've got boxes and bags and stuff everywhere. But I am just so happy that I'm in a dry house with no damp, no mould, no nothing. It's absolutely wonderful. And goodbye, rotten, poorly, horrible, disgusting house. You see, there, why it's like that there, I was going to retile all that. I'd pulled all this wood off and I was going to retile that when they phoned me to offer to give me this other house. And I just was so mad of spending so much money on this house and not getting any, trying to make it look nice, but then the mould just constantly coming back. I was exhausted with it, exhausted. But I fought them and I won. I beat the system and I won. So there you go, guys. I've just come to get a few last things from in here, then I can lock up and hand the keys in The guys are coming tonight to clear the rest of the garden, and tomorrow, and I can wave goodbye to this dump. Absolute dump. I just opened this door, and honestly, this carpet, I'm not sweeping it, I'm not hoovering it. This is from moving out and rubbish getting everywhere. But this carpet actually smells like a swamp. It is so bad I can't. If you could smell what I could smell, it's what I have been having to live with. It's just been exhausting and horrible, absolutely horrible. But yeah, you can see all wet. So they can't blame that on condensation. That is coming up through the floorboards. All the carpet is wet, all of it. It's just awful. But yeah, it smells like a boggy swamp. It's just awful. Oh, bye-bye house. Bye-bye house. I can't wait. Look, as you can see, I've actually tried to make the house look nice, tried to do nice things in it, but I was fighting a losing battle. That has been replastered there because all that was mouldy and damp. That got done. So again, another internal wall because it was coming up through the floor. Oh, look, all the plaster work there. Just, I don't know what they're going to do, but I feel sorry for the next person that comes into here. I really do. Right, guys, I'll see you at the next house. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.